Let me just try. I'll try anything else.
You know, that comes out super fuzzy anyways. You do it that way. Why don't you just record something and then play it back?
I don't think that's going to work.
Why not?
He told him. I'm sorry. But sometimes I'm just... went too far. My bounds, put my big...
That's right.
Could you do me one favor? If I'm taking him on a...
You might have...
Going there for one reason. Move Carver into...
You're not playing back? Exposure to gambling.
Well, there are other things.
Like what?
Congressman Sweater was captured by the
That
crowd.
guy?
I didn't realize that. They hurt him pretty bad. They,
Yeah. The guy
well, they
that...
riveted his legs together. No, he of course didn't tell him not. Of course not. But he still lives with a terrible pain. Yeah. Because of this terrible pain, the congressman takes a drink now and then. He's got to. Otherwise, he'd be crazy and bees. If the congressman wants to take a drink, you see that he gets it.
You have a grid in your first one that relates in some mathematical way. It has to actually look. Here, you know, I relate this one to this one in a way because here that border space, it doesn't bother me because it doesn't ever, it's not, even though the whole thing kind of floats in that, it floats consistently. Here I want to, here you started to break this border, sort of margin develop, and somehow it wants to break another margin. One isn't enough. That's what I'm saying. Here it doesn't bother me. I mean, I think this is a very sort of, within the Dada tradition, I mean, it becomes more of an interpretation of, I mean, I think it's very nice how the way this jogs out of it. I think that solves the problem very well. Putting down an element. It's a little bit spotty.
Got really furious, and she says, you know, I want to talk to you about some things. And she ended up taking, I think she ended up taking a taxi home. She ended up calling it herself, and I just asked him what was the big deal with that. And he goes, I said you weren't taking her home. And I said, I know you said that, but why? You know, why couldn't I give your mother a ride home? It's not like 4 o'clock in the morning. You can't be mad because I'm I'm in 10 o'clock at night. You know, your dinner was ready. There's no problem. And he just said, I just told you, you know, you wasn't giving a ride home, and I meant it. And fine. And that just bothered me for a couple of days, but I had to call his mother. What's going on here? You know, why did he try to do that to my finger? I said, he tried to break my finger. You know, he didn't accidentally catch it by mistake. The man literally tried to break my finger. And
This is the first time he physically hurt you?
yeah.
And how far along in the marriage were you?
And I thought that was enough, but it didn't.
Can you
It
talk a
just
little
kept
bit
him
about
away
that
from
again?
me.
Yeah, because
The spear?
We
yeah.
don't have much of that on
That
tape.
was the
Very
closest
important.
that I ever came to killing him. You see, the planning of killing him didn't happen. See, I'm going, in my mind, I'm going house by house, because the spear was at Tilden Avenue, which was earlier. The planning to kill him was Pope Street, which was after. So I go house by house, I don't go year by year. The house thing, the Tilden Avenue thing happened when he had beat me like 3 times that night. He had taken my car, and I went to the bar to get the car back. And he beat me up in the car, and he beat me up in the parking lot, and he beat me up on Spring Street. You know, all the way home, I hit the major streets, you know, with this fight, because I'm steady trying to get out of his grasp. It would end up in a fight. With this, I'm trying to get out of the car. And when we finally got home, he stood there, and he was just like, his eyes were really wide, really like he was just way beyond where he was. He was just like, just clear, just kept saying, don't breathe, you know, don't breathe. It's like
Is it cysteine? It's not cysteine. Oh.
You've been reprieved.
Okay. All right. Ta-da. All right. Still in the running. All right. Here we go. This will do it.
Yeah. This will fix it for us, kids.
Carol has the option.
You folks at home know who it is or what it is?
Okay.
I will play.
I thought you would.
All right.
Artist.
Yes, well, painter.
All right, Tom. European. Yes. European chapel ceiling painter for the game.
Michelangelo.
Is it Michelangelo? It is. Let's see it. Let's see it. Sure. Open it. Let's see, the last clue was, well, you got it figured out with 4 clues. Now, we know who's going to play alphabetics. We're going to say goodbye to Judy K. Frome with $7,900 plus 2, which gives you $8,100. Thank you, Judy K. We're going to get ready to play alphabetics while you watch this fascinating commercial. We'll be right back. Don't go away.
Used to be when Billy had a fever, I didn't know who felt worse, him or me. I was never sure just what to give him. Then I found out what more pediatricians give their own kids. Children's Tylenol. Well, I figure if they give it to their kids, I'll give it to mine.
Aspirin-free Children's Tylenol. Drops for infants, liquid, and chewable tablets for older kids.
Children's Tylenol. It makes us both feel better.
Children's Tylenol. It's the one more pediatricians give their own children.
Times have changed, and our tampons have to change, too.
He's over here, Elaine and Carol. Tom, friends, I want you to meet Charlie Stevenson. Come in, Charlie. Charlie Stevenson.
All right, sit down there.
Thank you.
All right, Charlie. How are you? Tell us about yourself.
For the last 15 years, I've been regional manager for health agencies in the West.
Yes?
I have 5 of the greatest kids in the world.
5?
You bet.
Okay, you know, we've been having a play, Elaine.
Prance. Dance.
Second clue, Tom.
Majorette.
Doesn't ring any bell.
Doesn't ring any bell. Okay, we got another one right here. There it is. You got it. Elaine has the option. Pass or play, Elaine.
I'll pass. Pride. Bearing. Oh.
Last clue for you, Tom.
Certain that that doesn't become a dirty word in this town.
Now, that's what I like to see.
What?
A little fight. A little spunk. Now, if you could just use that for us instead of against us. See, Janet, you have to remember which side you're on now.
I'm willing to discuss it. Now, what is it you want me to do?
Jo Benson is not the city council. She's just one voice. I think we should put this issue before the entire council. I mean, I'm willing to let the whole thing be settled democratically. Sure, people of Julia Street have an interest, but so do the working people. I want you to go to the mayor, or call him, set up an appointment to present this rezoning ordinance before the entire city council. Now, I know those guys. And I know they know what Turner Instruments means to this town. Now, you think you can handle that, Ms. Vice President?
Imagine an invitation to the international...
To be reduced to that kind of simplistic analysis.
There isn't anything simple about it.
No, there isn't.
Well, maybe I thought there was. I mean, that could be the problem. We were in love. That seemed to be enough, but it wasn't, was it? I thought I understood love. I thought I understood loving you.
Do follow the signs and go with it, all right?
They're behind you.
I don't understand anything except the fact that I do love you and I want to be with you and I miss you.
I'm sorry.
So am I. Because I'm going to remember what we could have always had together.
Here we are, Dr. Coleridge. Oh, I'm sorry. I worked as fast as I could, but, well, you know how it is.
I was just coming back from lunch and I ran into Tom.
Oh, she did. Literally, she dented my bumper part.
Oh, come on, I did not.
Well, could I offer you some of the house beverage? It's on the house.
Oh, what is it?
Apple cider. Turns out that Mark's got a cousin living in upstate New York. And he sends me a case of the best vintage every New Year's.
Oh, great, I'll try it.
Oh, it's the alchemical place of transmutation.
Ooh.
So seriously, what we learn together will transfer directly onto the stage. And one day when we are so many spokes in the same wheel and the work is good enough, I'm going to go to Joe Vincent and see if we can get a grant for a community theater.
Well, now I understand where you got your name. You really do have great expectations, don't you?
Well, there's no use in thinking small, is there?
There might not be any point in thinking about it at all. You know the plans that Ted Adamson has for this place.
Oh, that.
Yes, that. How can you be so casual about
Well, we
it?
aren't. But we're not going to panic either. Ted Adamson isn't going to tear anything down until he changes the zoning.
Right, and that might not be too easy. Ted Adamson has proved himself vulnerable in the past. And if push comes to shove, we'll go to the public.
At the Star Theater or one of those, close the next day.
Why would you close the next day?
No good.
Be sure to join us.
Cheese Doritos. They taste as good as they crunch.
Helen, what did you do to Bert while we were on vacation? Look, he's not eating his dry food.
He may never go back to dry.
What else is there?
New Purina Moist and Chunky.
Purina Moist and Chunky?
Unlike dry, Moist and Chunky dog food has moist, meaty-tasting chunks dogs love. You can even slice it.
Bert, you're sure you won't go back to dry?
Nutritious Purina Dog Chow, moist and chunky. One try and your dog may never go back to dry.
Know what my cat loves to eat? This stuff here. It's called...
Special dinners.
This cat talks. My cat won't eat just any cat food. The one he likes is...
Special dinners.
He talks.
Sure, cats love special dinners from Purina. Every nugget is crunchy and delicious on the inside. That's the dinner. With a tasty coating of milk flavor on the outside. That's the special.
You know, my cat really likes the taste of...
Special dinners.
Special dinners? Wow.
This is where we grow Promise margarine. This is the land of promise, a land of bright sunflowers. You get the natural goodness of sunflower oil in every bite of Promise margarine. You like the taste. It's fresh and light. And Promise with sunflower oil is high in polyunsaturates and has no cholesterol. So come to the land of promise, a land of bright sunflowers.
Okay, we're back. Now, guys, I got to tell you, you can tie it up on this. This is a $200 puzzle, so you can tie it up. But you could win with an extra 100, so watch it. Tom has the option. You've got it at home. Here's the first clue of the new puzzle. Password. Tom, pass or play?
Oh, play.
Go.
High, low.
Got it. All right, Charlie. First clue of the puzzle is low. What do you think the answer is?
Death Valley.
Is it Death Valley?
Good try.
Not Death Valley.
Good try.
It got, no, that's low. You know that.
Yeah.
Here's a new one. You got it. Elaine has the option. Pass or play, Elaine? Pass or play?
Pass.
Okay, Tom. Play.
Wind.
Hurricane.
Second clue, Elaine.
Candles. Wind candles. Flicker? Oh.
Third clue, Tom.
Velocity.
Jet speed.
Fourth clue, Elaine.
Billow. Cloud?
Last clue, Tom.
Bubble gum.
Blow.
Yeah! Very good.
These pregnancy test kits I've been reading about, what are they like?
Answer. Answer is the same type of test many doctors use.
Why should I use one?
Answer. Answer lets you test early, in the privacy of your own home.
Is it complicated?
Answer. Answer has easy illustrated instructions. Follow them exactly and see your doctor as recommended.
Sounds great. What's it called?
Answer. Answer at home early pregnancy test kit.
Nivea can't give you baby skin, but we can baby the skin you've got. Nivea Lotion's rich moisturizers baby your hands. Keep them soft and pliant. Your legs? Nivea keeps them sleek and baby smooth. Makes your body feel alive, naturally healthy looking. Nivea can't give you baby skin, but we can baby the skin you've got.
On All My Children.
Are you okay? You seem so upset. You bet I'm upset, Tara, when I walk into my husband's hospital room and find you in there kissing him.
And on General Hospital.
If we don't call a doctor right away.
Will the carrier escape?
Until that carrier is found, every new detected case out there could be a potential killer.
All My Children, General Hospital. Every weekday on ABC.
Okay, I think I got it. And I have to tell you, Siobhan, I understand Jack's position.
You do?
Yeah, oh, absolutely. I don't agree with it, but I could understand how he could think that.
Why are some things in life perfectly predictable?
Look, Jackson, I don't have a pat answer to the question of what constitutes responsible journalism. If you do, I'd like to hear it.
Yeah? Try this. If you write a story that results in a lot of innocent people getting hurt, that's irresponsible. If, however, you do your homework and find out who you're dealing with and what could be their possible reactions before you sit down at your typewriter, that's responsible.
I haven't written anything yet.
Why do I think that you will?
I don't know. Why do you think that I will?
But your good taste will tell you it's much more than a soup.
Cup of Noodles is proud to help support the 1980 Olympic Winter Games.
Today, I get Dad up early. Neat trick if you can do it.
Pillsbury cinnamon rolls can. Open your eyes to a wonderful show. See the magic of pop and fresh dough. Watching them rise, then what a surprise.
Dad?
Cinnamon rolls. See them disappear before your eyes.
Hey, what got me up so early?
Roll call. You can make magic, you know, with the magic of pop and fresh dough. Try it.
I'm writing the score, right? And Rose said, what do you use on your hands? I said, I can't use anything right now, Rose. I'm doing a study for dishwashing liquid. She says, golly, look at my hands, how chapped they are from the winter. And I says, I know, I'm using a product that's really so great. And right away she said, what is this product? I says, I haven't the vaguest idea.
What if we told you this is new Dermassage dishwashing liquid with protein?
I'll say, Rose, that's Dermassage. It couldn't be a better name. Suds as well, it cuts grease well. It's different, but it has something extra.
Tests show new Dermassage dishwashing liquid with protein actually improves dry, irritated detergent hands.
How do babies feel about Beech-Nut's new fruits with yogurt?
I never felt better in my life.
The goodness of yogurt with no sugar added from Beech-Nut.
WJAR-TV in Providence.
And I'm off tomorrow evening.
Oh, lovely. I'm apartment 502. Shall we say 7:30?
7:30.
See you there.
No concern. Go.
Wally, it wouldn't work. Now you know in your heart it wouldn't work.
Yeah, I guess so.
This week at Fernandes, Tree Sweets.
Get ready for a family feast of chicken steak and chocolate cake every Thursday and Sunday at the Riverside Restaurant in Middleborough and the Windjammer in Buzzards Bay. A complete family feast with second and third helpings for only $4.95. Children 10 years old and under eat for only 3 cents a pound. Soup, salad, vegetables, potato with gravy, hot bread and butter, chicken steak, and chocolate cake for only $4.95. At the Riverside Restaurant, Route 28, Middleborough, and the Windjammer Restaurant, Route 28 in Buzzards Bay.
Now, for your sweetheart, his and hers Lee jeans, straight and flares in denim and cords. Just $12 at Hank's. Thanks, Hank's.
Rich, moist.
I'll know it when I taste it.
That's it.
That's it.
When an ordinary snack won't do, you want Moist and Easy, the treat from Duncan Hines. It's rich, moist, fresh baked.
Full of raisins. This is more than a snack. It's a treat.
Moist and Easy from Duncan Hines. It's more than a snack. It's a treat.
Because it's a last-minute invite.
No, I don't think she'd be insulted. I think she'd be very pleased.
Well, I think we ought to ask her.
All right, let's do. And be sure to invite Wally, too, because he's probably over there with her.
Well, I always think the more the merrier. And it doesn't matter if it's impromptu, because I always think that's when the best things happen.
We made a mistake when you were on, and we invite you back.
Something about being a gentleman's gentleman I don't understand.
My next evening off, and then afterwards perhaps stop by the apartment to show you my domain.
Well, I'd like that. Yes. What a beautiful apartment.
And out there, the terrace overlooks the whole of Manhattan. Not quite as peaceful since the arrival of the 3 children, but pleasant nonetheless.
Still?
Yes?
Well, Mr. French, maybe I'm talking out of turn, but doesn't it bother you living in someone else's home? Wouldn't you rather have a place